All right, guys. Hey, it's Jeff, East Texas ADV. Man, I'm so excited. The last video I was shooting, FedEx showed up and dropped off 2 packages here. Like I said, I'm super excited. We're not going to do an intro. We're just going to jump in. We're going to open these things up. What could this be? Again, I'm super excited to get this opened up. I've been looking forward to getting one of these for a really long time. I just haven't been able to talk myself into spending the money, but here we are. Now, can anybody guess what we have here? Looks like a gas can? Maybe. Let's get this bad boy out. So, yes, we have a gas can. Oh, look at this. Any ideas what this could be? All right, well, you know what we're going to do? Let's get on to the other box and we will spill the beans. Again, guys, I am super excited. I cannot wait to play with this. I will give you a hint. There is not a burn pile on the ranch that is now safe. We're going to set this down gently over here. All right, now for the big tomato. Here we go. Think again. I don't care how I'm recording. I just want to get this bad boy opened up. And my daughter wants to play basketball, so I got to get set up so she can play basketball. Come on, bad boy, get out of there. Get out of there. And here we have it. Da, 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 da. We have a flamethrower. Woohoo! Again, I've been waiting forever to get one of these things. Here we go. Sorry about the camera moving around, but like I said, that's it. Okay, well. Check it out. Oh, flip it up. Hell yeah, check it out. Voltage for your battery pack, I suppose. Now, the reason why there is a backpack tank as well as this pack right here, or this tank only lasts about 30 seconds. Who can have fun in 30 seconds? Well, I don't know, some unlucky guys, I guess. Anyway, so we got the backpack, which should give us 2 or 3 minutes of fire fun. Anyways, guys, gals, I want to say thanks for watching. If you haven't had a chance yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for future notifications, because sometime in the next couple days, we're going to take this bad boy out and we're going to light some stuff on fire. Anyways, thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.